Hello and welcome to Chapter 9, Lesson 8. Today, we are going to be solving two-step word problems. So sometimes in order to solve a problem, you need to do more than one step or use more than one operation. So we might be multiplying and adding today, subtracting and adding, or subtracting and dividing, or subtracting and multiplying. We're going to be doing two different things, two different operations when we're solving our word problems. So let's get started. All right, example 1 here says, Gustavo bought some tools at the hardware store. He bought 5 tools for $6 each. 5 times 6 is what I'm reading, right? 5 tools for $6 each. And 1 tool for $7. So really, we could do 1 times 7, but we know that's just 7. How much did he spend all together? So if I was going to write this equation with a letter for the unknown and then solve, here's what it would look like. 5 tools for $6 each, and he spent $7 on 1 tool. And that's going to equal our unknown, or our y. So first I should multiply. 5 times $6 is $30 plus 7. Is equal to y. You guys, bear with me here. This should be y. Then I should do 30 plus 7 is 37 is equal to y. So y equals $37. Okay? So 5 times 6 plus 7 is equal to $37. The unknown is $37. He spent $37 on his tools. So we can use mental math to check for reasonableness. If I start at my finish line, 37, and I spend 7, I would be back to 30. And then if I take 30 divided by 5, I would get 6. So $6 each. So yes, we did some good work here. Orlan has 48 comic books. He keeps 8 for himself and divides the rest equally among his friends. If each friend gets 8 comic books, to how many friends did he give comic books? Ready? He has 48. He's going to keep 8 for himself. Then he's going to divide the rest among some friends. We don't know how many, and so whenever we say some, then that's a good cue that that's where our variable is going to go. And so once we're all said and done, we know that each friend is going to get 8 comic books. Okay? So let's first figure out 48 minus 8 is 40. Divided by an unknown is equal to 8. So if I'm going to think, I could think 8 times what number is equal to 40. So I could think 8 times what is equal to 40. Okay, so I could do my multiples of 8. I could do that. Or, I don't know, maybe I already know it's 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that m is 5. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. The unknown is 5. He has 5 friends, guys. So Orlando gave 5 of his friends comic books. That was very nice of him. For our check, we could use estimation. So I'd say 48 minus 8. I could think of it as, well, 50 minus 10 is about 40. And then 40 divided by 8. It's about the same as saying 4, I don't know. 40 divided by 10 is 4. Is 4 close to 5? Yes, it is. Okay, here we go. Let's practice now. A city bus had 14 passengers. At a stop, 5 people got off. Here's what I'm reading. There were 14, 5 people got off, and 8 people got on. How many people are on the bus now? So this is an expression. I need to write an equation for what we don't know. So that's going to be our answer. I'm going to put P for people. How many people are on the bus now? So I'm going to say 14 were on the bus. 5 got off, 8 got on, and that's going to be equal, after I solve all that, to P, how many people got on the bus. Then look at here, it tells me to solve. Oh, why didn't they give us room to solve if we needed to solve? That's my question. Here we go. 14 minus 5 plus 8 equals P. So I've got subtracting and adding, so that means I need to work them from left to right. Subtracting is on the left, so I'll do that first. 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. There are 17 people on the bus. On the bus. Here we go. Grandmother picked 4 times as many apples as pears. What is the difference in the number of apples and pears picked if she picked 8 pears? Okay, so she did 4 times as many apples as pears. So that means apples is more. So that means I need to take pears times 4 to equal the number of apples. Okay, but here it says she picked 8 pears, so I should replace P with 8. Okay, so 8 times 4 is 32. She picked 32 apples. 32 apples. Okay. Find each unknown. Okay, now we're solving. So I'm going to rewrite this. 48 divided by 6 plus m is equal to 11. First, I need to do this. 48 divided by 6. 6 and 8 is 48. So that's going to be 8. Plus m is equal to 11. 8 plus what? Remember, m is just our unknown, is equal to 11. Okay. 8, so I could count on 9, 10, 11. So m is equal to 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Yes. Okay, next one. 37 minus 9 is equal to h times 4. So first I'm going to do this. 37 minus 9. I cannot do 7 minus 9, so I need to go next door and get 10 more. Oops, not 14, 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 2 minus 0 is 2. So I'd get 28 equals h times 4. So this is like saying 4 times what is equal to 28. Okay, so in my brain I remember 4 times 5. So I know that 4 times 5 is 20. So how many more do I need to get? How many 4 times whats are going to get me to 8? Because 20 plus 8 is 28. I need 2 more. So that means 4 times 7 is 28. Okay. So that means h is 7. Yeah. Boom. Okay, number 3, 20 plus 20 equals 4 times what? 20 plus 20 is 40 equals 4 times something. Okay, how many 4s go into 40? 10. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. All right, now this guy over here, I see some parentheses, which means to do it first. 4 plus 2 times r is equal to 54. 4 plus 2 is 6 times what equals 54. Okay, I already know it's 9, right? Otherwise I could count my 6s. Otherwise I know this. 6 times 10 is 60. What would happen if I took 1 6 away? That'd give me 6 times 9 is 54. So 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, that's all I have for you for today. You guys, I really love this stuff. So if you have any questions, as always, make sure you let me know, okay? We'll talk to you later. Bye.